Automatic gear changes may be overridden by use of the 2 and 1 selector positions. If 1 is selected from rest, first gear will be held until the selector is moved to 2, when second gear will engage. Moving to D will then give third gear, provided that road speed and throttle opening are suitable. Selector position 2 also permits automatic changes, but from first to second and from second to first only, depending on road speed and throttle opening. Third gear will not engage in this position. With the vehicle cruising in third, selecting 2 will cause an immediate downshift to second. Selecting 1 in similar conditions causes an immediate downshift to second, and then, when road speed drops sufficiently, to first. Full engine braking is available in both second and first gears. This also applies when the vehicle is in reverse.